Here is the first look of our Adrenaline Kick Go.
We have one in our showroom available for test rides. And let's just go through some of the features of this awesome budget scooter. It's got an LED headlight. It has got LEDs along the side. It has got a rear tail light, front and rear fenders. It's got a full LCD display, comes with a bell, an electronic brake, a throttle, and rear brake. This scooter is available in black and in white as seen here, and it's available for pre-order now for February shipping for only $599. Go online and order one today.